Want to see violent and sensitive content on Telegram? Watch till the end of this video and I'll show you how. Do not miss any steps. The official Telegram app doesn't have this option in settings, and this works for both iOS and Android devices. First, go to your web browser and head on over to Google, type in Telegram Web in the search bar and hit enter. Click the website that says web.telegram.org. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go directly there. Once we are on the site on our mobile, the site will prompt us to log in via our phone number or QR code if that doesn't work. Once you've signed into Telegram, you'll see all your messages. We want to click the 3 lines in the top left corner. Select Settings, scroll till you see Privacy and Security, and click on it. Then scroll to the very bottom, and you'll see a box that says Disable Filtering. Tick the box. And that's it. You will now be able to see violent and sensitive content on Telegram. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips like this.